How to change zip code on Vanilla Visa gift card. Go to the official Vanilla Visa gift card website. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you may need to register your card by providing the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Once you're logged in, look for options related to managing or updating your card information. This section is often labeled as Manage Card or Profile. Locate the section where you can update your billing information, enter the new zip code in the appropriate field, confirm and save your changes. Alternatively, you can call Vanilla Visa's customer services for further assistance. You can find the customer service number on the back of your gift card. Call and follow the prompts to speak with a representative who can assist you in updating zip code. Thanks for watching.